Hello guys and welcome to the channel, and also welcome to the Doom Dark Ages secrets on level 10. So guys, the first secret that you can find here is this one right over here. So let us just use this thing and get up. Okay, so as you can see, there's going to be this gold in here that you can gather. So this is the first secret. Okay guys, and now the second secret is going to be right over here, so make sure to navigate through the map where you have this shrine, okay, where you can upgrade your weapons and skills. And in here, just go through this fire. Okay, after killing those mobs, you can go right through here, and as you can see, you will have some gold in here, and of course this collectible. As you can see in my case and on my map, it's already taken. It should be somewhere in here. Once again, in the map, if you take this shrine, it's right over here, very easy to get to. Also, there's going to be some gold in here. Sorry, I shouldn't have jumped down. It's right over there, as you can see. Just go there, on the same place, and there's going to be some more gold. Okay guys, so the next puzzle slash secret is going to be right over here on the map, as you can see. Let me just unminimize it and make it bigger so that you can see this is the spot. So in here we will have two items, right? So we will have this thing, I believe it's one of these, I'm not really sure what they do, and we will have this thing as well. So let us go in and solve this. Now what do we have here? Okay, so we need to go up. Okay, kill this guy right there. Where is he? Did he jump off? Yeah, there he is. Hello, buddy. Oh, he can jump. Nice. Right, so going up again. There's gonna be gold here, right? Oh, there's gonna be this helmet. Okay, so this is the secret. Okay, now let us move on. Good. Okay, make sure to, guys, always complete these fights, of course, because without completing the fights, you won't be able to progress through the level. You need to destroy towers, 2 towers in here, and to destroy them, you will have to complete these fights. As you can see, there's a certain area. Also, make sure to press arrow down if you're on the controller to find where to go. As you can see, it analyzes the map and shows you where to go. So this is the second tower that we need to destroy. Bam. And pretty much now we can continue with our secrets. Okay, as you can see, that door was open, that's great news. Okay, and in here, so in this location, you need to activate this button and take this. I suppose it's some kind of battery for the robots. Okay guys, and in terms of the secret, in this same location, you find this amazing stone. So this stone right over here, as you can see, one of them is going to be the precious stone to upgrade your weapon until level 3, max level. So of course don't forget to grab this one, absolutely mandatory. Okay, after that, just go ahead and activate your robots. So now as you can see, this door was closed at the beginning, and now we can finally access it. And there's gonna be a secret here. As you can see, we have some gold. Oh, it's right over here actually, under where I'm standing. As you can see, there's gold in here. There's gonna be a gold chest. So these are pretty much the secrets, guys, in this level. Stay tuned for some more Doom Dark Ages walkthroughs and secrets and bonuses. So pretty much enjoy. Guys, press like on the video and subscribe. See you soon.